Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can get Disney Plus for free. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open up any type of preferred browser on your mobile device and search for Disney Plus. Open up the first site named as disneyplus.com and you'll be brought to the homepage of the website. A few months back, Disney used to provide free trials for everyone. This trial continues for a month and after that they will charge you a full amount that you agreed to pay. But currently there's no way to get free Disney Plus and there is no way you can get a free trial. You can cancel your membership anytime if you don't like it or just to refund your amount. To do that, open up a new tab on the current browser and search for App Store Refund. You'll need to search for Play Store instead of App Store for Android. Now open up the first site and it will display a number of steps that will show you the way to refund a complete amount. After reading the passage, tap on the given embed link and log in with your Apple ID to continue, or you can just ask your family to take a plan and you can just use it for yourself. So that's all for today's video guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting in the next one. See you soon. Bye.